crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and enjoying this summer. And in today's video I am going to show you how I store my sequin mixes in the Kallax IKEA cabinet. So I hope this will give you some ideas on how to store your sequin mixes, and particularly if you are not having enough space. Even if you don't have an IKEA Kallax cabinet, you can still store your sequin mixes in containers, which I will leave in the description box below links to those. And let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch how I store the sequin mixes. So this is the continuation of organizing my craft supplies summer series. So now we're gonna go into this cubie. That is where I have, all my sequin mixes. So I'm gonna come closer, open the cubie, and I know it's a little bit messy. I have a lot of hodgepodge sequin mixes that I have received in swaps, etc. So I'm gonna come back. So this is not the final product, but this is everything that was inside these cubies. So these cubies are really can hold a lot of things, right? And the same thing, I have this Target clip that I bought a couple of years ago, and I label it called Sequins. So I have sequins and glitter. I am definitely planning to donate extra stuff that I have, and I am going to decide where I'm going to be organizing all these hodgepodge loose sequin mixes. But in the meantime, this was my first storage that I bought a couple of years ago, where this is when I started collecting sequin mixes. And these are super good because they're not that many, and you can see I have used some, I have bought more, but it's a good system, right, to store your sequin mixes if you have a small space. Then the other one that was very popular and still is this one, and I will link the products if I find them down below, so you can. This is another storage which is super, convenient. If you have a smaller space, you can put these underneath your table, or if you have a bookshelf, or inside of your Kallax cubies, so it can fit perfectly. As you can see, the size is just perfect. And again, these are some of the sequin mixes combined. I had Halloween, I had this one I have not used at all, so I'm definitely gonna get rid of some of these. And this is a very good storage solution, right? Then I started improvising and but these plastic containers. And you know what, let's put all my loose. I have even tiny little beads. Beads are not supposed to be here. Beads are in that section, so I'm definitely going to be moving those out, and have more seed beads and more little seed beads and few sequin mixes. So here comes the part that I have to rethink and find a way to reorganize. I have these Dollar Tree containers, and I mean, everything is like a hodgepodge. Things that I have received in Happy Mail. More seed beads. They should not be here. More seed beads. So these are definitely seed beads. These are from Queen and Company. And this is from Target. So Felicity Jane doesn't exist anymore, but I have it. And these were like when Tuesday Morning was selling things, right? They used to sell these in these containers. You see, I still have it. Used to be $1.99. And then I have here glitter. Definitely this is going to be sequins and glitter. And look at this. I received this in a swap. This is so cute. Maybe I should put these in my IKEA Alex drawers. So put them on the side. More little, how you call this? This is recollection glitter spaces. Some more glitter, seed beads. These are some of the spoons that I received in swaps, so I can grab sequin mixes or the glitter. More things that I received in a swap. So as you can see, it's like a hodgepodge of things. These are like so adorable. I can let go and open this gorgeous mix. This is in a swap that I participated, I believe was last year. I know, for Valentine's. So more. And this is a really good tool that I bought a couple of years ago, and it's super good. It allows you to pick up sequins, die cuts, mosaics, rhinestones, mixed media, and more. Super good. This is phenomenal. Sparkle sweeper. This will get rid of any glitter, even on you or on any space. It is so good. So more things here. I mean, it's messy, so it's time to reorganize. And now I am gonna come back. Oh, I'm not done yet. This was part of another tool that I got rid of, so I kept these containers. So these are the Dollar Tree sequin mixes. I'm definitely not gonna keep them. And then more glitter. So now I am gonna come back and show you how I organized, and everything will definitely fits in here, but it won't be all the way on top. Well, this is the organized QB, and let's go ahead and take a look at what I organize. So these are all the glitters. Then over here I have the glitter brush and more little knickknacks here to get the sequin mixes. And I love this triangle, you know, to scoop your sequin mix. Then on this other little one, Dollar Tree, I have some of these clay beads, and then I bought these little containers at Temu, and I have these tiny little leftovers sequin mixes that I received in swaps. And then of course I couldn't let go of these gorgeous mini bottles. I love them. And then let's take a look at this one. This one is from Korean company. These are beads. And then this other one I was thinking of like getting rid of, but it contains all my sequin mixes that I got at Tuesday Morning. So now looking back in here, this is a container that what I did was I put all the packaged sequin mixes, so when my other containers start to get running low, I know where to come and pick up. Then over here, these are the tiny little kind of like glitter, glass glitter, etc. Then this one it shows only colors. The sequin mixes are not mixed. They're just colors, solid colors. And then my last one, this one has sequin mixes in shapes and Halloween, a little bit of Halloween. So yeah, so I have now less stuff around. I donated, actually I'm gonna donate that bag. So now I put everything back, and yeah, so this is it. This is how I store my sequin mixes, and definitely it's gonna be way much easier to, you know, go around and craft. If you like this video, just give me the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new.